before I named myself Humba, yeah, people used to call me Buju, because at school I used to do like dance or stuff. I used to be a DJ even at school. Functions of Chikoro bye. So I used to be a DJ at school, and people used to call me Buju Bantu because I was much into Buju Bantan music. And every show and I perform, I used to perform like Buju Bantan. And Buju Bantan is still the king. I love Buju Bantan. So that's how I got the name Buju. Then later on now, Kura Manje, I don't know. And but I was introduced music sector or industry. So I chose my totem with the stage name Ram with Humba, because Humba is not like this. I don't know Humba, but as sweet as you see, but Humba chiba best. I do music as a passion. I love music. I cannot do anything without music. I'm like those people, those business people who for a sport like golf. On their spare time they go to play golf. It doesn't mean they want to go compete for World Cup. It's just a passion. They like playing golf on their spare time. You understand? So that's the same thing with me. I'm a businessman. I do business. But at the same time, I like music. Music is in me. Business, fine, it's in me, but number one, music is in me. So if I don't record a song, I don't feel nice. I don't feel happy. But if I record something, it makes me feel, happy, and it's not about power. You understand? So music, you need to take like not a full-time thing, not business. It's a full-time thing, but not business. Because music is in me. My music is inspired by I can say the daily situations, the things we come across. But 24/7 those who inspire like music young. I see what sometimes sometimes Yimba is written like a prophecy, because in Yimba it is not just and as well as then at the same time I sing about things I see around, like I said, and my music it's something with a positive meaning, a positive message. I make sure I send a positive message to people, because I believe I'm a messenger. I might not be, a prophet, papa, or whoever, a pastor, chichi, but I believe I'm a messenger from God. So my duty is to send positive message to people, and music with a positive meaning to people. That's my duty. At the same time, I can say my responsibility. If I don't do that, no, that's what I'm a failure. I have more than 200 songs which I haven't released, and I believe I'm going to release album soon. Papa Nana promise one I'm going to release a 8 track album. You remember that? So didn't that break nada to pina mgini book of records, because akuna munhu atamboita izvozvo handiti, but ndakazombostopa mbijana due to my technical issues. But very soon I'm going to release an album. But ndenda kuchikombanzita pa 88 days ndenda release album ringerine about 114 songs. In my first when I'm doing collaborations, I love all Zimbabwean artists. But when I do a collaboration with artists in Zimbabwe, I in order that person. And there are some collaborations I did not choose, or like I sat down and later collaboration. My first collaboration was with Soldier Love. They don't think that Soldier Love I got consider collaborating. Because they but yeah, so I to so don't go believe that I've won some member. In Andinye Bega, so time artists in your data crash tabula. inini kuti dai pasina soja lafu hatifungi kuti pene paitiziya saka ndozve kuita misheni yaMwari. Mwari anoshandisa vanhu, haashandise madhongi chete. Dhongi rinogona kushandiswa futi naMwari, but pari zvino Mwari akashandisa palast time apa, in fact Mwari akashandisa soja lafu kuti auyo anintroduce to the music world, and I thank God for that. Unfortunately he passed on, but he's still a legend. So, and I've done also another collaborations with people like Toki Vibes, Silent Killer, Kina, Mr. Mbari, and also Oriano, and also wakawanda ndiro chinokakanwa vozi vakaita sei wakawandisa handikuona, but inini handisina problem because ndoita music zvokunakirwa. Saka kwese nikutenderera chita sei ndikangoona munhu akati yatite something then to ready to do a collab. Handina hangu time kugara pasi chinyora masongs because I believe it's in me. Kungopinda hangu mustudio sokatongomira pamic zotanga kuti ngobuda. Saka ndingofarira kushanda none suppose the same respect I give to Japreza is the same respect I give to Winged D, is the same respect I give to Holy Ten, is the same respect I give to Killer T, is the same respect I give to Kina, is the same respect I give because tiri in the same industry. Because music is not a competition, it's a mission, because we are all, I believe we are all messengers. So I'm a collab wangu hapo neti kutongonakirwa chedu ngoti ningi ngatite hapana kana problem.
Tammy Moyo, 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 Tammy Moyo.
The best song I don't believe it inonyatsotinakidza yakatibata moyo is the song yandakarecorda about Tammy Moyo. So people, I know they may take a wrong picture out into that time, but the thing is, why did she respect the song? I was trying to put a picture to people to know you should respect your own people, you should love your own people. That's why you find myself right now ndakafika t-shirt ya Tammy Moyo. But the reason not hey, Beyonce, she's there, she's in America, she doesn't even know me. And the show gets attended, I was a couple of visa, we don't attend show again in America. But in Zimbabwe, we have Tammy who can do things better. You understand what I'm saying? And munhu akadaro manjika tofana kutongoma appreciate. You understand? Because she is our own. Saka song hiyo ndo saka ndichiita favorite yangu because ndaisa picture kwanu no unaona munhu ka iya kuti shi ndiwe edu ngati mu respect tofana kumpa inofana kufana ne respect kupuwa uko munhu kuimwe nyika ku America wherever, Britain, South Africa, where they respect their own female artists. You understand what I'm saying? So ndio picture nango try kuti kungoisa akuna munhu asingadi zvakanaka because tamanogeza tamanochena ka hadidi, but still kuzongomuda kuti urumuda zverelationship ezikudanana kuti aiwa ano haisiyo issue, but kuri kuti awe yake akondorambiri rimwe asikati zvakanaka tikotora onondewodzerawo vakuru venyika hatisitosena baby chandakatadza ndachishaya handichasiva ndakanganwa onondiudzirawo president hatisitosena baby chandakatadza ndachishaya handichasiva ndakanganwa nobody pandai maita haitonditi baby unoita zvaitoita tichitoita
Nekuti mbereko yaramba asimangwana tuzara mamboka mbereko yaramba asimangwana tuzara mamboka aiwa ugarika kwaramba asimangwana tugara mamboka nekuti ugarika kwaramba asimangwana tugara mamboka mangwana ndijapara mwana ere ajandibakari.
Right, besides music, I'm a businessman and I'm a money maker. I'm a hustler. I look for money. And before I tell you what I do like for a living, like, you know, I would like to say I'm motivated by women. Madzimai ndinoenda ndishande nesimba. Madzimai ndoari kuita ndishande nesimba kutsvaga mari because haadai basa padzimai chikara takarara kauri kuti echiti hapana kana draft chaita sikambotambi. So the thing is, inini I do business. I'm into transport business and construction. I do supplier material construction. You understand? Tinowakira on dzimba. We build houses for people. Then transport, I have buses. Like Monotichi, yeah, a bus is a bus, but kind of a COVID. So that's what I have. That's what I do for business. That's the business I do, in fact. Yeah, I choose anything with money. Because some of the time I tried to be korokoza. I'm korokoza. Ndaitombenda tombotsvaga hazvina kubuda, but ndo ndatry zvimwe. In fact, in terms of business, the guy got ndiri muedzi, ndiri try so, ndiri ngo try. Pese chinhu chese chine mari ndiri kuenda. Because you know, nguva yekuti you specialize on one thing yakapfuura. If you want to make more money, if you want to be rich, you should specialize on you should do anything chinonza mari, as long that thing chiri clean jet, chiri bow. And I want to thank God that I have never faced many challenges when it comes to business. When I like the time I tried with a business, ndango suffer problem one chete, challenge one jet, confusion. Kuti nasikazivi kuti ndakuitei. But as kuti mari capital and inini handina kutsvaga capital, handina kuti nditange ndatsvaga capital muupenyu hwangu, ndangoti ndikutsvaga mari. Saka zvokutoti capital handizvizivi, ndatokutsvaga mari, ndatokuita mari izvo handitokuita chimwe chinhu, yandaitobata chimwe handatokuisa chimwe chinhu. So business and music, I cannot separate music and business, because music it is what motivates me to make money, to do business. Even ndikafunga something ndikada kana kamwe kasimba so kamwe kachiwindi so anika ndokawana through music, through mukuimba. You understand? Ndotoziva kuti kana ndoda kufamba handika kuti ndimweitotsvaga mari. Wewe wanajira kuti kufamba kuenda kumwanga famba kubuda kuenda kutsvaga mari. Ndotoziva ndikateerera song yakati ya Japanese inondipa power. Ndikateerera song yangu inini yandakaimba handika ndisati ndabuda kutsvaga mari inondipa power. You understand? Saka music ne business kwandiri ndozvibatanidza so kuti zvakangobatana, because music inofuela business rangu. Business rangu harifuele music. Music yangu inofuela business rangu kuti ndo meditator through music. Then ndikasumuka yapa Africa yakutosununguka. The right thing to do in life is to know the right people to work with, is to know the right equipment to use. Aukwanise kuenda kumaina nebanga, awane anything, but unotoda zvimahama, zvimachichi, zvimadrills, something like that. Handiti. Saka kana uri musician ukaita mari, hazviri kuti iwewe unogona kurana futi business rechimwe chinhu, but you should look for people. Don't be stingy, don't be greedy. Look for people who can help you, pay people to help you kuti zvibudirire. Kana munhu esa kuita business handika. But the reason why a lot of people fail, even when takazobroka, it is because they are not working with other people. They are not using the right people. They are not using the right equipment for the job. So in personally, and you see me here, and I spend almost 19 hours at home. Sometimes 22 hours at home. But azvire kuti handisi kushanda, nechitoshandawo, but kunze kukatarisa mota dzangu dziriko, marori angu ariko, handiti kunze kwachita basa, but ini handisi driver erori. Pandakapa driver erori. Kunoona kutotsvaga basa rekuti redio basa randikuita rebusiness yangu. Vakutodidi ndakadelegata basa kuwangu wanda, ndakaemploya the right people wanotofunga kupfuura inini. Watotoripo, ndotoziva papa kuti no, I have someone who is working for me, but this person anotofunga kupfuura inini. Even asina beg kundipfuura inini, but anofunga kuti kupfuura inini pabusiness rangu. So I delegate work kuwamwe wanhu, and I use the right people for the business.